Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to effectively study the night before a test. Prepare everything you need for the exam well in advance. Lay out your pens, pencils, calculator, ID and any other required documents for materials the night before. Dehydration can lead to reduced focus and concentration. Make sure to drink plenty of water the night before your exam. A hydrated brain functions much better. And exam stress is normal, but how to manage it? A huge difference. Keep your mind positive by repeating calming affirmations like "I've prepared well" or "I can do this." Take a few deep breaths, focus on staying calm and trust in the work you've done leading up to the exam. The morning of the exam should be calm and organized. Wake up early enough to have time to eat a healthy breakfast, review any final notes if needed, and get ready with your Russian. Avoid cramming. This can increase anxiety and is less effective than focusing on staying calm and collected. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.